Alright, in the previous video I talked about the overview of this whole project, and now I want to cover the children props. I think this project would be a nice example to demonstrate what children prop is. So let's go to these two components. So we have the component called button and the step message. Now the step message is this one here. Step 1, train well. Right, step 2, eat healthy, and step 3, become an athlete. So become an athlete is the last step, okay? This is important, and train well is number 1. So we need to remember that. Now, I will start with explaining with the step message. Now this should be in the component folder, not right here. But for the sake of simplicity, I'm just keeping these two components together everywhere, because we don't have like components here as we would usually have, and so on. Doesn't matter. So the step message is receiving children, and it is receiving the step. So what is the step? The step is this one, and we are currently at 1. So on the first re-render we are on number 1. This is the first step. And the children is the keyword. So we cannot say children's or whatever. So the children is a keyword, okay? And the children is passing anything that is between the opening and the closing tag of this component. Now, first, let's see this. So we have H3 step, and it is using this step. So that's how we know, are we on step 1, step 2, or step 3, right here. And then, what I talked about the children, we just say children here. Okay, this is a keyword, and we say we want children to be here. Now, what are the children? So if I go to the step message here, make it easier. Okay. So the first step step message, we are passing a prop step, which is a step, of course, this use state, and that's how we know it is receiving it here, and that's how we know, is it step 1, step 2, or step 3. But then we are also passing some JavaScript here. So we're taking messages, and then so first, let's go to the messages, which is an array, okay? And it is 0 index based, of course, as any array. And here we have train well, eat healthy, become an athlete. So this is an array, 0 index based messages. And then we have messages, but then we want to, which index do we want to take, right? We want, so here we have step -1, and that is because it's 0 index based. If we just say like this, step, let's see what happens. So then step 1 will be eat healthy, which is this one. This is number 1. So this is number 1, and this is 0, train well is 0, eat healthy is 1, become an athlete is 2. All right, so yeah, we need step to be -1. Where is it? Yeah, step -1. So then the both array and step is on the same page. So that's how we have that. And also, if I delete that, let's see what happens. No, just step. Okay, so eat healthy, become an athlete, and number 3, nothing. And number 3 should be become an athlete. So anyways, that's it. And now we are passing, so whatever is between this, the step message opening and closing tag, that is children prop. Okay? And we can also say this, like P and, I don't know, whatever. So it will now be displayed as well. So this is the children, right? And another example is with the button. So with the button we are passing some props, BG color, text color, on-click children. and we're saying style. We want this button to have style. Background color will be background color, color will be text color, and on click will be on click. Okay, and here we're passing that. And usually the component has a self-closing tag, right? So there's not two buttons, it's only one. But when we want to customize our components and we want to use the children prop, we need to have the opening and closing tag so that we can put something in between. Okay, and then we are passing BG color, and I can change that. I can say, for example, red. And now only this button is red and this one is blue. So because it is passing different props. And also the function, so here a perfect example, we are passing a different function for the same component. This is one component, the button is one component, and we are customizing it. We are passing different functions, different styles to the same component. Okay, and here like the ghost and the smiley face are, so the ghost is in front of the word, the smiley is behind, so these are the children, right? So we can just render the component, but without the children prop we cannot customize it, right? So this is just example, like what if one button we need to have one emoji and the other one we need to have it on the other side, or a different emoji. So we need one button to have one function, the other one a different one, or we have different stylizations. So this is the children prop. We make one function, we make one component, and then we style that component, we customize it however we want. And the same is with the step message. So these are the two examples for using the children prop. And that's it.